this okay. My name is Same, and this video is about my eToro investment. As you can see, I have invested roughly about £2,000, and I'm already in a profit of 44. Um, Let me remove this. Okay, so I'm already in a profit of 44 pound 47 pence. If you convert that money into dollars, so roughly about I invested um, 2,750 dollars maybe, probably more than that. I don't know. Um, yes, total $2,750. That's the total allocated. Bear in mind, I'm not experienced in stock trading. I'm learning as well. So I had spare £2,000, which I ended up investing in eToro. I watch a lot of videos about eToro over the YouTube, and I've got no knowledge about the stocks, right? But I ended up selecting a bunch of people. As you can see, I've invested 500 in Richard, 350 in this guy, 350 in Johans and Miyoshi, um, this guy, and I can't pronounce his name, sorry about it, and gserdan and rokherman. And I withdraw my funds from this guy, desk mode, because he wasn't using my funds. He only utilized $4 from my trade. So I don't know why he wasn't utilizing my fund. Because I'm new, I don't know how I can follow somebody who can utilize my funds. But the maximum money I make from this guy, there is a big reason because this guy exposed himself. As you can see, he's exposed to crypto a lot, and um, during this time, like from like last 1 week, you can see ADA and Ethereum gone really high. Like they have increased their prices like 20-30%. So I gain maximum benefit from this guy. He's like, if you can see his profile, I've checked his stats. He's exposed himself 44, which is about 45% to crypto and 46% to the stock. So like almost half and half. He's um, hugely expose himself to the crypto, which is a bit scary as well because if somebody, because crypto is so volatile, if somebody expose over 20%, so your investment is a bit risky. But you can see almost in 7 days, I already made $61, and maximum profit came from this guy, this emo. And this Richard, he's very safe. I read his stats. Of one of other YouTuber actually was following this guy. His stat is not extraordinary this year. You can say he's like overall 6% profit in this year. But last year he was very good. Like he made 60% profit to people who was actually following him. So in roughly, if we invest $100 on this guy last year, he was able to make you $160, and the maximum loss he made like 3.82, like 4% loss he made back in February. And after that he was pretty consistent. You can see he's very consistent. He's trying his best to close his month on profit without losing any money, and he was doing that. And so many YouTubers actually talk about this guy Richard. I will link um, his I will drop down link about his profile if anybody is interested. Bear in mind, this is not a financial advice, so I will advise you to do your own research. Don't follow my advice. I'm a complete beginner. um, but I was comfortable investing my money into this Richard guy. One thing you need to remember: always invest money into stocks if you got a spare money and you're ready to lose, because stock is very unpredictable sometimes, especially if you're investing in a crypto through the Etoro. Crypto is very volatile. Sometimes you make a lot of money. As you can see, he already made me 29 $30 in just 6 7 days. 6 7 days after I've ended up investing 350 pound into him. My already investment, I already gained like 7 8% within 7 days. It's once you start losing money in crypto. I had a very bad experience in crypto. I invested like $200, and crypto market crashed down, and my $200 was only left with like 30 $40 maybe, couple of years ago. So I had very bad experience with the crypto. It's so volatile, the price going up and down very quickly. So only take a risk if you're willing to lose. That's my advice. And Mitoshi, a lot of YouTubers actually make a video about him. He's very consistent re- regarding his profits. You can check his stats. 68% he return he have showed up last year, and this year in 2021 he's already made to 21% return, and maximum loss he lose money 0.84% in March, and on August he sorry, in July he lose like 0.30%, and you can see like 13,548 people are following him, so he's very popular, and his risk is average risk is 4, um, which is okay for me. So I have set a stop loss of 10%. If any one of them loses me more than 10%, so I've advised eToro to sell off everything and take out my money. Stop copy that person. So once you stop copy that person, eToro sell everything and put your money back into the available account. So that's my review about eToro. I hope you like it, and I will make a review every month regarding the eToro. So far, um, every month, how much money I made or how much money I lose. So if any one of you wanted to invest money, they're thinking to invest money, they can learn from my experience because I'm complete beginner as well. Um, so, yeah, follow my journey. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much. And please comment below if you like this video. And if you wanted to use my affiliated link, you can use it. Thank you very much.